wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best aquarium gravel cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the biorb cleaner is an affordable option that functions with a simple hand pump that won't make lots of waves and scare the fish. It comes with an extension accessory, so you don't have to get your hands wet even if the water is deep. The compact size is easy to store, and it works well with oddly shaped tanks. However, it doesn't have a flow control valve. At number 7, the simple aqueon vacuum comes in 4 sizes to help you choose the right model depending on how many gallons your tank holds. This basic unit is effective at separating waste from the gravel layer, but it tends to get clogged if you use sand. It includes a long 6-foot hose and is a good solution for small aquariums, but it may suck too fast for small fish. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Although the fluval edge is not as powerful as some of our top picks, it does get the job done if you have a little more time on your hands. Its slim angled nozzle is a notable feature that makes it effective at reaching the edges. It includes 2 cleaning heads and an ample 5-foot hose, along with an easy start valve. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Aquarium Gravel Cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Koller Products Tom features a 45-degree angle at the handle, helping to prevent annoying kinks. There's a wide opening at the end for sweeping over the gravel, but it removes liquid more quickly than solid debris, so you always have to do a water change. It works with any tank shape and comes with a 12-inch vacuum tube, but it needs a clip for the hose. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Python Pro Clean features flexible high-quality tubing and a durable 23-inch long gravel tube that won't crack or chip even with regular use. This extra-large option is designed for servicing aquariums that are a minimum size of 55 gallons. It allows you to keep your hands dry. However, note that the suction is too strong for sand, and the drain hose is surprisingly short. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, ideal for spot maintenance between water changes, the eheim Quick Vac is handheld and battery operated. While it's supposed to be fully submersible, many users with deep tanks recommend wrapping the battery compartment in waterproof tape to prolong its life. The removable filter rinses clean, and there are no leaky hoses to deal with. It's an essential tool for messy eaters. At number 2, the Zarco pump is simple to get started because it has a large bulb that needs only gentle squeezing, while the faucet for controlling the water is also easy to turn. This model has a lot of parts to put together, but the assembly instructions are very clear. It's made of BPA-free plastic and designed for tanks of up to 40 gallons. Note that it pulls water out very quickly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Python No Spill is offered in a range of hose lengths from 25 to 100 feet. It's designed to drain directly into a nearby sink while you vacuum the floor, and the other end can connect to your faucet for refilling. Just remember to treat the tank before adding tap water. It eliminates the need for buckets and fits many types of faucet. It's an excellent choice for large tanks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Aquarium Gravel Cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.